Okay, so we're now going to talk about the dip switch settings for the main Apex board. So this is your address in here, and it's binary, so this is address 1. So if they're all off, it's 0. Put 1 up, that's address 1. Put 2 up and 1 down, that's address 2. Put 1 and 2 up, that's address 3. Or you've got 4 if you want to address 4. Or you've got address 8, 16 or 32. And it's a combination of just adding the numbers up to give you the correct address. This little red jumper link here is for the watchdog. This needs to be in place. The switch settings along the top here are your time periods. So you've got your call tone period, that's how long it's going to ring for, the handsets, and switching them both up gives you 60 seconds. The next two is the call up period, which is how long a phone can stay live for once it's been called. The last two switches here are the speech time. So the call up period is 60 seconds if they're both up, and the last two, speech period, is 120 seconds if they're both up. These ones here are, should be using the pen, these ones here are for functions that we have that we can enable within a system. Like, for example, if there aren't enough cables run for a callback on a concierge system, we can link the callback to the DR line from the handset, and that saves one core. This IC here is where all the user keys are stored if it's an easy tag system. So all the key fobs, etc. are stored in here if they're user keys. And it's the same on the digital expansion.